Just take a look at this mess. All these lines in the sky from what people are calling chemtrails. In all honesty, I don't think that they are chemtrails with chemicals. What I think, and it may not be correct, is that this is the production of more electricity in the sky. They are electrical lines. They look like clouds, and basically clouds are charged air particles with electricity. Somehow, some way, these lines are being shot across the sky, and most likely what we think is a plane is really just an optical illusion. It's as if somebody's shooting a water cannon or electrical cannon, and the electrical lines are crisscrossing our skies. Everyone has some thoughts and ideas about these, but I would like to contend for the fact that they absolutely cannot be planes or jets or anything of that nature. Mostly because there's no traffic control up there and they're so close to one another. There's an example right there of two almost on a collision course. You can see the two parallel lines. The one just went one direction and the other went the other direction, the opposite direction. Almost completely as if they'd be in a head-on collision. So in my view, somehow, some way, they are like electrical beams or electromagnetic beams that are being shot all over the sky with the illusion that there's a jet or an airplane or something creating them. But they're really just electrical lines, almost as if like these electrical lines. Electrical lines like what we see in towns on telephone poles. But they're really electrical lines way up high in the sky. They seem to be all over the place right now as I'm filming, coming from all directions, and there's one directly overhead. I'll try to zoom in on it, but I'm not sure how successful I will be. So it isn't too long that these electrical lines begin to dissipate or spread out, which means that the electromagnetic energies that are being created are dispersing throughout the atmosphere. which makes the atmosphere even more charged than it's naturally charged by the radiation and the beams of the sun. Why is this being done? There might be multiple reasons. One reason I would suggest would be weather modification. Another reason I would suggest is that it would be related to mind control, that they'll be able to send electromagnetic impulses that generate thoughts in our minds, and that could occur anywhere because the atmosphere is so charged with electromagnetic impulses that there could be subliminal messages being sent and actually being received by anyone through their skull. The skull can vibrate and pick up electromagnetic impulses, and then that can fall into the area of the brain, and the brain can then translate them accordingly. Subliminal messaging done through the sky. You might be saying that sounds pretty far-fetched, but nothing is too far-fetched these days. With the level to which technology has advanced and the level to which evil has advanced. This concludes this video. Please give me some of your thoughts.